The Renova Alarm Pocket Watch was a more affordable Zenith pocket watch with an alarm marketed in the early 20th century. Equipped with an alarm function, it was historically sold under different names or designations depending on the market. In some cases, local brands or distributors applied the name Renova to the dial or case, even though the movement and manufacturing were by Zenith, a common practice in the early 20th century when Swiss manufacturers supplied movements to retailers in other countries. The most notable Zenith alarm pocket watch was the caliber 18.5 ND, associated with Mahatma Gandhi, a silver piece with an alarm function, which he used to mark important moments of his day. It was given to him by a friend, later stolen, and subsequently returned, a story documented in various historical watchmaking sources.